Hello guys, this is Daniel and welcome to my channel Daniel Ogasya. In this video, we are solving one problem which you guys and lots of like you guys are facing in Adobe Premiere Pro, which is when you import some video and audio file containing format to your Premiere Pro, it will show only audio file in your timeline. So how we can solve? Without further ado, let's go into Adobe Premiere Pro. Why this is not opening, so I will close it. Once again I will open this Adobe Premiere Pro. It will take some time guys because of my laptop is very low end device, so it will take around 15 to 30 seconds. But before that I tell you one thing, our video is very unique. Uh, no one is telling about it. There are lots of other solutions also, but this is the quickest, easiest and fastest solution I will give to you. So at the end of the video, if you solve the problem correctly, then please hit the like button. If you are facing other problem, then give dislike also. Now also we are open this our main project over here. This is opening, okay. This is not you want here. Bro, just delete. Just delete. Okay. Just delete, bro. What happened? Now I'll just insert one video which is containing video and audio file. Okay. As you can see, it is importing. Now, as you can see here, this only contain linked audio. So when you put in on timeline, as you can see over here, only audio file showing. When you coming, not video. So what you can do, just delete this too, and close the Premiere Pro. Close, okay, successfully closed. Now reopen the Adobe Premiere Pro once again. You can, you also don't need to reopen, don't need to close. You just need to just create one more project because my laptop was very low end, so I will reopen this because when I create one project, then it will very laggy. So I reopen. I better to reopen this Premiere Pro. Now it will take 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, not now. Create a new project. I will give the name 124143. Yeah. You guys understand what is this? As you can see, this is the creating. Now just same file import over here. This is the file. Okay. Yes. Now just double click on it. It will show on the right display. Now just drag to the timeline. Now as you can see here, magic. Now this is showing video and audio both separately. Nice. Because of the low end is rendering issue. Now you can do one thing. Just click this both frame same time and copy this. Now you just go to our original format, original project. I will go to my original project where I want to insert this. So yes, I'll just go to the sound. Now as you can see over there is one problem. So just put over here, paste over here, and just drag this both containing file over here. Where this, sorry, just select this two, just drag over here. That's it. As you can see, both video and audio both are coming. I will play and you can edit too. So if you like this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if your friends is getting same problem, then you can share this video to them. and if you use this video to your blog, then also you can use. And that's it guys, this is quickest solution I'll ever upload in my YouTube channel related to this problem. If you want guys, if you're getting another issues in Premiere Pro, then let me know in comment section. I'll give you a solution of that. That's it guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for coming.